Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this is 705 design hash set. So basically you need to design a set or mathematical as a code set. Basically you can add a value. You can say that maybe a set contains some element, and the second is content. So return whether the value exists in a set or not, and finally is just remove. So remove in a set if it does not. Okay, if the value does not exist in a hash set, do nothing. Okay, so the first one is I can use a list. So first I create a list and the add just append. So I can append. Okay, and we can see the contents is really easy because you can ask about whether a key in the list. So you can just return a key in the data. So if the key is actually in the data, then you will return true, else you return false. So the add and the content is very easy. Okay, well we can just use a list. But if we don't use a list, if we use a list but then remove is somewhat tricky because you may in a set that if you add the same element twice, then it always has the same meaning. So it always has a unique element. Okay, but if I use append as add, then I may append the same element. So that means if I do remove, then I should remove all of them. So I can create a new new list, basically for iterate the list, and let's see if it's not a key, then I just reformulate our data. So basically I reformulate the original list to another list and delete all the same elements. Okay, so I think it's very straightforward, and here we can see the results. So this construction for add is very fast because just append. So it's O1. And then for contents is ON because you need to see the whole list. And then remove also ON, so it's somewhat slow, but I can still solve this problem. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.